I know that there's a big lure, no, that everyone wants to get out of the rat race, everyone wants to be financially free, everyone wants to make money, everyone wants to earn in the next 15 minutes, everyone gets lured by gains in either starting a business or investing. It's not something that's bad. However, investing should always be the last part of everything that you actually do, that you build your financial house in order. Hey guys, so I want to make a very boring video, and I think this is something that's so important, so significant, but it's boring, it's foundational. But you know me, it's the boring things in life that will make you rich. It's the boring things in life that will make your investing journey sustainable, because at the end of the day, I created this channel so that you can grow wealth, right? It's something that won't just be a one-hit wonder, but it's something that you can do repeatedly and it will sustain you over the long term. As you all know, access to investing is so easy, and I've created so many videos talking about you can actually start investing in Pag-ibig MB2 for 500 pesos. You can actually start investing in US stocks for $1/50 pesos only. You can actually start investing even in Philippine stocks for less than 5,000 pesos. You can buy cryptos for around $10 only. I've made so many videos like that. We are in the golden era where access to investing is so easy. But that being said, the access to investing does not actually mean and should translate that you jump the gun right away and you actually also invest. I know that there's a big lure, no, that everyone wants to get out of the rat race, everyone wants to be financially free, everyone wants to make money, everyone wants to earn in the next 15 minutes, everyone gets lured by gains in either starting a business or investing. It's not something that's bad. However, investing should always be the last part of everything that you actually do, that you build your financial house in order. And I would always give this example that the Burj Khalifa is the largest building so far, by the time I'm recording this, in the planet. The ability for it to soar very high is because its foundation is very strong. You don't put it at the start, because if you put investing at the start without setting the proper financial foundation, then your building, your financial house will crumble. And that's something that we don't want. We don't want your financial house to crumble, but we want something that will be built to last for a very long time. And it may sound contradicting, because I would always say that the best time to invest is now, the best time to actually start is now, which is very true. However, before you actually do that, there are certain things that are so important. Get your cash flow first. Get the ability to earn first, so that you get disposable income above and beyond your expenses, above and beyond your needs, above and beyond paying off your debt. And whatever's left, that's what you invest. Don't fall into the lure of borrowing money so that you can actually invest. Don't also fall into the lure and the trap to invest to pay off your debts. You work hard, find extra side hustles, you find extra jobs so that you can pay off your debts. Don't mortgage your future by actually borrowing more just because you think that you can make money off that investment and your debts will be actually paid off. It's actually possible to make money for your investments to pay off your debt, but I've seen it more times than not that more people actually lost money in their investments, and the debt that they actually incurred became even bigger because they actually invested to borrow off their debt. And I've been saying this all the time, that it's different when you are investing money that you can lose, because you can take on more risk, you can be more aggressive, you won't be as scared. And what I've realized is, for a lot of people who are trying to ape in, is they haven't really done their research yet, and they just think that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I don't believe that there's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, because you will always have different opportunities to be able to invest. You will always have different opportunities also to be able to still grow what you actually have right now. And if you try to look at it even from the cryptocurrency perspective, look at it. People always say that it's too late if you enter the cryptocurrency market because Bitcoin was relatively higher. However, if you look at other altcoins, even for this year alone, you saw Luna move up, you saw Avalanche move up, you saw Solana also go up, then you have your meme coins like SHIB and Doge also go up as well. You don't actually have to rush it. Pay off your debts first, secure your foundation first, and then once those are all taken care of, start investing full throttle, because there will always be an opportunity later on. There will always be an opportunity also for you to grow. Please don't borrow to invest. You might just put yourself in a deeper rabbit hole if you do that. And also, don't invest just to pay off your debt, because it will be relatively harder for you. Because what if, instead of using that cash to pay off your debt, you invested it, and what you invested did not go the way you wanted it to go, then instead of moving forward and having lesser debt because you used the cash to pay off the debt, you're even going backward because you lost your capital, and in the same way, you did not move forward in paying off your debt. Because if that's such a good investment, if that's something that's totally legit, then it would be there. There would still be opportunities repeatedly over a period of time. And you can also see that even in the stock market. If you look at Apple, even if you did not invest in Apple in the 90s or the early 2000s and you started 10 years after, you would still be able to benefit off of it. In the same way also for Tesla. If you did not invest in Tesla the past 7 years, but you invested in Tesla in the past 2 years or the past 3 years, even though if you came in a bit late, you would still be relatively okay. The more you actually build that base, the more that you put your financial house in order, the more that you build cash flow first, the more that you set aside that cash flow for you to be able to pay off your bills, also build up your savings and pay off your debt, whatever that's extra, you won't be scared to trade it, you won't be scared to invest it. It won't be something that you would be tentative, because if you lose that money, then it will hurt you financially. The strength in investing is having the ability to invest something. If it doesn't go the way you want it to go, it won't destroy your life, it won't destroy your way of living. But if it goes the way you want it to go, your lifestyle is still intact, but you have something that's bonus. Please remember, investing is something that you put in the ground that will grow for you later on, that will have the ability to work hard for you. This may not be our deep dives into certain crypto projects or certain stocks, but I believe that this is something that's essential, because over the next few months into 2022, we'll be doing deeper dives. And you know me, I'm super excited about it, but don't let this excitement push you to ape in if your financial house is not in order yet. Build your financial house first, build the right foundation first, because you will always have so much opportunity later on. And I want to say this, I know the people who are watching my channel are around 25 to 45 years old. If you're 45, in the upper range of the people that are watching me, imagine if you live until 80. Imagine if you live until 90. Life expectancy continues to increase due to technology, due to more medicines being developed. So that means you have half of your life still in front of you. So you don't have to rush it. There will always be an opportunity out there, but build your financial house. So to make it super simple and to give you context about it, increase your cash flow, pay off all of your needs first. Then if you have some wants that you want to also get, pay off your debts, build your savings, and that's when you start to invest. However, please do remember this also. Always invest so that you hit a goal. Don't just invest thinking that I want to invest because I want my money to moon. I want my money to double, triple, quadruple, or go up 10 times. Invest because there's a specific reason and purpose about it. Invest because it hits whatever financial plan you actually have. I guess that's it. This is something that's sobering and boring. Let me know if you still like topics like this, if this is something that's helpful for you, if this is something that's useful. Put it in the comment section if you still want more of this, and if it's something that's a good reminder. If you guys have any questions also on this, put them down below and I'll try to answer them. Please do remember, if you get any comments, looks like me, in the comment section, either in Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, that's asking you to inbox me or giving you a free Bitcoin or Ethereum giveaway or anything to that matter, please do know that it's not me. I'm not also sending WhatsApp numbers in the comment section for you to actually contact. There are a lot of scammers out there, and please be very, very careful. when I will say something, it will be generally just through a post or through the videos that I'm making. It won't be via the comment section as well. I guess that's it. I wish you a happy new year. I really do hope that you end 2021 strong, but in the same way you push massively harder, that your 2022 will be your greatest year yet, that your greatest days are still in front of you, that your greatest days are still ahead of you. If you want to know more about my seminars, my books, how to invest in the stock market, in the crypto market, what brokerages platforms you want to invest in, check them down below in the description. And I hope that this video was helpful. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.